At Right Now Heating, Air Conditioning, Plumbing, and Electrical, we provide complete comfort services to homes across Boise, and it all starts right here at the Right Now Academy. We've been preparing individuals for brighter, bolder futures as Right Now technicians and team members. Our hands-on training programs are fast, focused, and designed to get you field ready in just weeks, no matter where you're coming from.
Before I started my career in HVAC, I was selling furniture, moving furniture from people's houses. It's just a little furniture sales shop.
For some, it's about growing their professional, personal experiences.
I had worked in HVAC previously in Oregon for about a year, and I worked in an office for a while and wanted to change the scenery for sure.
Others came here looking to establish a lifelong set of skills.
We went over the entire tune-up procedure, 20-point inspection. We learned about all the systems of operations on the furnace, every single part inside the furnace. We learned how to check heat exchangers, basically touched base on everything that involved the furnace, as well as AC as well.
But all of them leave with one goal in mind.
Rockin' did an HVAC and still doing good job.
Every one of our technicians, advisors, and trainees complete in-house instruction for real-world outcomes. Whether you're starting fresh or changing trajectories, apply for an apprenticeship with the Right Now Academy.